In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map in Google Earth Pro. So to do this, first of course you have to find the location. Now I'm gonna go to the top left of the search box and I'm gonna find a random location. So I'm just going to type in Miami and I'm gonna click on over here and then search. Of course you can search by name, you can search by coordinates, latitude, longitude, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to type in the name of this of course place and it's going to take me in there, okay? So let's say this is now going to be our map we're going to be using. That's the first thing you have to do. Then whenever you find your location, you want to of course add map elements. So you can add place marks, polygons, paths, whatever you want. And then down here at the bottom left, you can show or hide different things. So for R1 over here, our map, I'm going to actually turn roads off over here. And there we go. It's looking a bit more clean. So what I'm going to do now is actually go up here. I'm going to add a place mark. I'm going to click on add place mark. Of course, you can position it wherever you want. You can go ahead and position it over here and give it like a name, whatever you want it to be. You can change its style and color. And of course, you can change the pin as well. And then hit OK. And there we go. Of course, if you click OK again, it's going to give you over here one of your map elements. You can then add like polygons by clicking on here and of course name them, and you can go ahead and basically draw these polygons wherever you want them, hit OK, and you're good to go. Of course, all these things can be styled if you want to as well, and you can add things like paths over here. So if I add a path around here like this, for example, there we go, I now have like a path, and let's say this is okay. And of course you have like styles, colors, views, altitude, you can add descriptions, images, etc. Okay, click on OK whenever you're done. And now that's the second part done. Now if you want to organize and style these things, you can always do that at a later date. So you can just click on a specific thing. It's going to get selected here on the left, right click it, click on properties, and this window will pop up again where you can basically change it. So if I don't like this path, right click properties, and I can go and basically move it around however I want. Okay, don't forget to click on OK because otherwise it will not save. So that's pretty much the next step. And then what you have to do is create your map layout. So you want to go to the top left and you want to click on where it says file, and then from here you can see it says save, and you want to click on save image. Okay, don't worry, it's not going to do it automatically. Just click on save image over here and it's going to go into this mode. Or you could also go and click on up here, which is going to open the same thing. Then in here, you can see there's a bunch of things you can do. So you can create your map layout over here. Click on map options, which allow you to add the title and description, legend, the scale, the compass down here, and a bunch of different things as well. Okay, of course, you can click on either of these to actually change them. I'm going to name this one Miami. This is just an example. Okay, I'm going to type it in like that. Then, of course, you can close this. You can change the legend over here, what to show, what to not show. You have the North Star down here, the bottom right, or it's just an arrow, and you have like this kind of scale over here as well. You can use this, you can change it, you can move it around, you can do whatever you want really. And then whenever you're done with this, you can just go and save your image. Okay, so we can click on save image up here, and then whenever you do this, you can save it as whatever. You could do like PNG or JPEG. So I'm going to select PNG and I'm going to name this one Miami like this. Oops, there we go. And I'm going to save it into my downloads folder like that. So it's going to start processing, and then it's going to go into whatever folder you selected. And if I now open this for you, you'll be able to see, there we go, we have our exact map over here. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.